gathered in a vain attempt to uncover the truth behind these strange events. The only clue that each of these cases have in common are mysterious tape recorders scattered close to the last place where the victims were seen alive. Those tapes only contain unintelligible noise, but who knows what message is buried underneath. They are the only witnesses left, aren't they?
The Illuminati.
No, it's totally Illuminati.
Okay,
See, go down. You already signed in. I'm signing as you.
Can you quack? Quack like you could.
Quack.
Alright, start game. Should we start game?
So what's this?
Let's see. What did we get new? Oh, Bunker 51. And that's it. All we got was Bunker 51.
Wait, no. Can we go to extras real quick? Version history. Area 51, new characters. Jack and Alyssa. New themed character for Avatar Tennis.
What?
That's a different game. So basically, you
improvements. Added new disturbing effects that increase as your character degree of sanity decreases. Wow, are we recording now? Oh, we are recording. Okay, that's cool.
So this was the last one in the previous.
Yeah. Yay! So we're totally doing Bunker 51.
Oh, it has like your
history.
This was like the last time we played.
Oh, okay.
So this is I played by myself here, and then that's me and Ben, I think, and that's.
Someone's parents are outside.
Oh my God! Bye.
Bye, Dad.
Might be my parents.
He has to go to the. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
I'll tell you what I want whenever. So shall we check out Bunker 51?
All right, but what difficult are we doing? Oh, okay. This is cool.
Did you see the new characters?
Where are they at?
So I already
Jack.
got Jack.
All
What do I
right.
have to do to get her?
Unlock this character by.
Oh no, no, that's a doubt. This is the other new character. Oh, that's not.
I totally have dibs on the invisible guy.
So she has +2 stamina and sanity. He has +2 stamina and flashlight, but -3 sanity and -2 evasion. Yeah, no, forget that. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna pick one. Let's start with Jack, and then we'll go to Alyssa.
Are you playing alone?
Okay.
Yeah, playing alone, I think.
Because otherwise you have to play online.
What is this game?
It's awesome.
Aww. Okay, well, I guess we're watching. Alright.
No, like, what's it about?
Want me to turn off the lights?
It's kind of like Slender, except for way better. And,
You want me to-
and it's multiplayer.
Do you want me to turn off the lights?
Sure. Except, well, you're probably not going to be able to see anything now. So no.
You'll see. Comes to the TV.
Well, alright, we'll see if it...
Okay.
I mean... You can... Yeah, I guess.
And there's a good possibility that it's better that way.
I don't know, what's it look like?
So, like, what do you see?
It's good.
Like, jump scare crap?
No, it's this really creepy white dude.
Alright, so...
He's way creepier than Slender Man.
I don't understand how you're supposed to navigate Bunker 51. Maybe we shouldn't have picked Nightmare for the first time we tried the new map.
Yeah, probably not.
Let's turn off the flashlight. Now we can't see anything.
No, I don't think it matters. I turn the flashlight off as much as possible. Even though I think the flashlight battery relies on like how many tapes you have.
Yeah, it does. Alright. Wait, can I read that? Exo Intelligence Bureau, United States. Okay. Good to know. Airbends.
So you guys, like, running away from, like, an alien or something?
There's a tape somewhere in there, I can hear it. La 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 la. You're my 12th catch of the day. I'm gonna call you 12. bet you it's like walk forward and then to the left, maybe.
Right next to
You're losing it, man.
Oh, there it is.
Oh my God, run!
Wait, so what does he look
The
like?
thing like dinged way before I saw him. Look.
There he is.
So it's just this big white figure.
Yeah.
You'll understand when Tanner dies because he's on Nightmare.
I've actually I've gotten 7 out of 8 tapes in there. But not on a new map, not on one of these. The indoor maps are always way harder. You remember you, me, and Ben trying to do that like museum one?
Oh yeah, I do remember that actually.
We got, I think after like 100 tries, we got 7 out of 8 tapes. But could never beat that.
You're gonna look behind you, he's still gonna be there.
This map is even worse than the museum. This is just like a giant maze.
You can't see anything on the camera whenever the light's off. I mean, you can see a little bit, but not much. So.
I'm trying to keep it on.
Oh!
It's just a weird statue. I hate how the green things in the tapes make the same noise.
Yeah.
So like it attracts you to the green things. Okay, we're leaving.
Run!
Don't look behind you.
Yeah, no,
Oh my God. You're going in a circle though.
It's a maze though, so I can't really blame him on that one.
Yes, I can.
And there's no.
Oh my God! Oh! This game doesn't usually get me.
Yeah, me. We haven't played it forever.
Oh my God, I wasn't expecting. Oh, Jesus!
Both times it made the noise before we saw it.
Oh,
Freaked me out.
oh my God.
Yeah, you guys said no jump scares, and I'm like, oh.
I didn't think there was going to be a jump scare. I didn't think it was going to get me.
That is literally.
I think that's also the first time I played on Nightmare.
I actually played a Nightmare a decent bit, but not bad. That was the worst I've ever done at all, ever.
Don't go on Nightmare.
You went in like a circle twice.
You got fucked.
We explored absolutely nothing of that map.
Yeah, this map's, like I said, it's a giant maze. To play on a maze on Nightmare, of course I'm gonna only get one. That definitely was a bad idea. Like any other map, starting it on...
You saw him, you ran back the way you came.
Starting any other map on Nightmare wouldn't be as bad, but this one...
Creep the fuck.
Oh my God, that was some alright. We should let Evan play now.
Oh!
Yeah, you don't know how. So you're next.
I try
Automatically.
to avoid like creepy ass games.
You should play Dead
So does
Space.
that mean you're not going to get this and play it with
We
us?
should play Dead
No.
Space. We need to play Dead Space right now.
Gosh darn it.
Oh, I've played Dead Space.
I was so hopeful that Evan was going to finally be our 4th person. I'm always looking for...
I could play. It's not like I'm gonna play us at like night and shit.
No.
That's when we always play.
That's like the creepy.
All right. So what are we gonna do next? We need to do. Are you doing Bunker 51 again?
Here, we'll start Evan off on something easier.
No.
All right. So we'll do easy on Chateau's the easiest. Or is it St. Martin?
This one, St. Martin and Chateau are all like...
All right. Let's give him Chateau. Come on. You gotta play it.
Nah.
Founders Hall, Bunker 51, and
Isla Grande.
Isla Grande. Those 3 were the 3 that were added in later updates. And those 3 are like
The hardest.
challenging ones. Yeah, harder, hardest. It's gonna take me a while to conquer this one.
Alright, so you need it. Come on. Play Chateau.
Who do you want to be?
Don't be such a bitch.
We're gonna give him a random character.
Don't be such a buster.
There you go.
No.
Yes.
No, kid.
Yes.
No, kid. No, kid.
Come on.
Too spooky for you, kid?
Yes.
I'll do it.
Let's show him what it's like to win.
Ha.
What happens when you actually beat it. Because Chateau on easy if I lose this. I'm so mad. I've beaten this
I don't know, it's been a while
I've
since.
beaten this map like 1,000 times. I honestly think I've beaten every map, like Founders Hall and Area 51, Bunker 51. Pretty sure all the other ones I beat. Even Isla Grande and Isla Grande.
Isla Grande.
Right here. Why is there not one here?
Here come jesters, 1, 2, 3. It's all part of my fantasy. You're in the corner of the map, dude.
I know. Searching the outsides first. And then I'll go inside.
So much easier on an open map like this. The hand!
The all holy hands.
The hand of God.
I hear it.
You hear the tape? It's always on the hand somewhere, isn't it? Or on one of the rocks around there. One of the big ones. Green stone. Why do they choose nighttime to go out? Like, who in the group is like, alright guys, so tonight around 2 o'clock in the morning, we're gonna go out here without telling anybody. We're gonna bring nothing but a flashlight, no guns, no knives, no cell phones, no extra batteries. How about this? Let's wound ourselves before we go out there too. Kelly, you break your kneecap. Rick, I need you to twist your ankle.
Let's also do like no exercise at all to warm ourselves up for this, so we have no stamina whatsoever. So we have to like walk.
Yeah.
And even after walking for like 3 minutes, we're out of breath.
Dragon heads.
Hear it. What is that?
That is totally a rocket ship. And there's the tape. Oh, and as soon as you turn the flashlight, the bricks are gone.
Yeah. So the camera has I like how I refer to the camera as if it's the one that's going to be watching the videos.
It is.
What? Yeah.
So what is that?
I hear it.
It's my tip on Sundays. I don't.
You're what on Sundays?
My tip on Sundays.
Show me them titties. Why do I not? It's on the floor, dude. It's on the floor. It's on the floor, right to your right. Oh, never mind. That's the bus. That's fine.
Oh,
What was that? Wait, what? It's behind you. It's gonna rape you. It's gonna bend you over and make you take it. What'd you jump for, man?
Where was the tape?
Evan, I believe your father's here.
Alright. See ya, guys.
Ah, light! I know, can you just turn that light out and way up? To the right, on the wall. Thank you. See you, man.
Who's gonna have this the one when I first
can't believe that last one made me jump and scream. That was an unusual experience for me.
Yeah, I know.
I don't usually get like that.
We're getting rusty.
We're getting rust. Whoa! What is that? Where the sidewalk ends? Turn the light back on. There's just nothing there. What? Like Zoinks, yo!
I think it's just a dude in a costume.
Let's see. Oh my God! It's to your left still.
Let's go take his mask off.
What's this Scooby Doo? We're coming after you. We're gonna solve that mystery. Come on, Scooby Doo. We're coming after you. What's this Scooby Doo? La 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 What's new, Scooby-Doo? You were already there.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, you want to talk bad about the others when they're not here, like we always do? Don't look at me that way.
Why do all these trees look the same and suspiciously look like a woman pointing in the end? It looks like a woman hailing.
Wait, where's the water going? Off to the right? Wow. Dem graphics.
And
Oh,
wait,
wait.
did you see something?
Wait, go back. To the right, no, to the right. I thought it
Penis
was...
statue.
Yeah, to the right though.
Oh, that's what you saw.
You know, I was saying go to the right. When we were looking at the stone, I meant turn to the left. Like, walk to the left of the stone. Ah! Oh, wow. That wasn't actually that scary.
Yeah, I know. But still, like I said, it's a little rusty.
Wait till you play Dead Space.
It's just that noise.
Listen to me. Everything about Dead Space
Yeah,
is
I know,
gonna freak you
I
out.
know.
If we win this, we're off to Dead Space.
This game typically does, which is totally scary.
Come on, Scooby-Doo. Just coming after you.
Oh, and there is no what if. We are most certainly going to win this.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I would guess 5 out of 8. He ain't got nothing on me.
He's got something on you.
Yes, he does.
I'm known by many names. Mountain Slayer, Thunder Lion, the Chocolate Axe, but you may call me Tiffany.
Great, now you're going to get me flagged for copyright. Yes.
No, wait, can we get copyrighted for somebody who parodied something?
Probably.
I don't think that's possible. Oh, it probably is. 6 out of 8. We got this in the bag.
So remember when you were doubting me 30 seconds ago?
No.
Neither do I.
See?
Someone once told me to forget all my short-term memory.
Yeah, I don't know who that could have been, by the way. Why? Because I don't remember.
Exactly. Except for that was probably long-term. Unless they told you.
Everything's short-term for memory. Everything is short-term for me. Wait, if you have no short-term memory, how can you have long-term memory? Because there's no memories that you remember before. Mindfuck.
Great, there's a tape over there, but he's guarding it.
You cannot see anything. I'm sure it's worse for the camera right now.
There it is.
Mad dash.
Out of 8. MLG white noise montage. Just that dubstep. Our speedrun.
They're right. The music does get like louder and more intense as we got more tapes. I notice it now.
Wait, what do you mean by they're right?
The Verge people had said it updated.
It's always been like that.
No, like they said it was like more, like louder as you
No,
got
that was
further.
when your sanity went down. The music has always gone up as you find more.
See, man, I told you, you got me smoking. You've already gone this way. You're gonna find where the sidewalk ends.
No, I think that was the other direction.
Nope. I'm positive. Test me. Go ahead. Walk to the end of the road.
Do I dare turn around?
Yes. Do I dare look at the clock? Oh! Oh god, that.
Rusty. I think I know where the
We're
last one is, though.
in the opposite direction of the house.
Yeah.
Do you hear something breathing?
Yeah.
No, that's just your smoker's cough.
Yeah.
Nope, you're back on the road. It's. Ah! Gosh darn it!
7 out of 8.
Gosh darn it! Gosh darn it. Son of a bitch. Screams 1. We had more than that. It's been so long since we played this. It's been longer for me since I played Dead Space, so this is certainly going to be interesting. I might freak out more than you, because Dead Space actually scares me. Like, makes me jump.
So mad. That last one didn't scare me. I was just... As soon as I heard that, I was just filled with anger. It's Chateau.
On easy!
I beat that one. That one's like just down to a science for me now. It's so easy to beat. Like even on medium, I can just get 8 tapes like that. Hard Nightmare, I can do it, but it's a little bit harder.
Obviously, because it's hard in Nightmare.
We need to all get live again.
It's been a while. See, here's where you went done with. See, you went back to that house and you went up again. And then we
The
got
last-
completely screwed here.
The last one's like...
Yep, it was like right down there.
I know which one it is, too. It's like a